In this video, I will walk you through setting and disabling a password in your JetStamp 790 MP or 792 MP. This will be especially helpful if you've forgotten the password you set on your unit. So to actually set a password, you would go to Mode, Setup. Once you're on Settings, you're going to hit Call, and then you will sequence through Next until you hit the various password options. So there's a block imprint. This is a password. Password setup, password clock, password number and text, password print. You'll see that all of these, as of right now, they say off. If any of these say on, that is the module that you have turned on with a password, and you're going to have to turn it off if you want to get rid of it. Password update. So now we're back to the beginning, and I'm going to cycle through and show you how to set a password. All right, so I'm on password setup. Here it says off, so I'm going to have to go to vary. And now we have on there, so we can click on. And the off and on have switched places. Now the on is on the top line. So now if I hit return, you will see the blinking password. So this is a current password, and you can choose the password by hitting increase and decrease. So let's just do 1, 2, 3. All right, so now our current password is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to hit return 3 times, and I'm back to the main screen. Now if I go to hit mode and setup, you'll see that the password shows up. Now you're only going to have a certain amount of time to actually put in your password before it goes off again like it just did. And now it's pretty much locked. So you're going to have to hit the password, enter the password, no matter what buttons you wind up hitting. Now, if I'll actually show you how to put in the password that I do remember. 1, 2, right, 3, hit right again, 4, and then if we hit right again, you are going to be unfrozen, and you can do whatever you'd like for a very short amount of time, and then the password will come up again. So to actually disable the password and get rid of the password so that there is no password on your machine, these are the steps that you need to take. You're going to have to use the factory reset code, which is 7531. So we're going to hit mode, setup, and I'm going to enter in the password. For the first time, we're going to have to enter it a couple times. So 7, 5, 3, and then 1. And now we will hit right. Once you hit right, the setup and module settings will come up, and you have to do this pretty quickly. You're going to hit call, and we're going to cycle through these settings until we reach the password that we've set. So you see here now it says password setup on. We want to turn this off. We're going to hit vary, and your password is going to come up again. You're going to have to enter the factory password again. 7, 5, 3, 1. Then we're going to hit return. Once you hit return, you'll see it comes up here on off. You're going to hit the off button, and now the off is on top of the line, which is correct. We'll hit return 3 times will bring you back to the main settings page where you can see all the information that you have programmed into your machine. And you see now we're not getting any of the password blinking or coming up. So that's all of the things that you need to know as far as setting and disabling a password. I hope you found this technical video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we look forward to assisting you with your marking and coding projects.